In this video I'm going to show you how to play BeamNG Drive in multiplayer. So the first step is go to Google, and once you are there type in BeamNG. And now you will see this site. Go to the site and there you have a option to download this for Windows. So download it. Once you are there, open the file, extract all. And now you can install it. So what I will do, I will show it over here. You can set your language, click on OK, accept the terms, set the location, and once you are there, click on next. Create desktop shortcut and install it. And now you are ready to play BeamNG on multiplayer.